Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are gonna be playing the game. Not playing, doing a tutorial how to make a great boat and stuff. So we only have one boat tutorial to do, and so you guys can use any block that you guys want to make it as like a square like this. I'm gonna use golden blocks, but I recommend you guys use golden blocks because it's strong and cannot break that easily. So just put 5 golden blocks together. Yes guys, that is the right thing to do. And next we need glue, something like this. It's glue, guys. It's glue. Sorry, I have to turn on my sounder. So, like this, you have to stack your body in it. You have to put your body in it. Something like me, but I would delete this first if it's me because it's a little bit uncomfortable and I can't, move that much. Guys, now we've got to put this, I'll show you how we get the glue, okay? So we have to buy this from the store. So if you guys don't know where to buy, just press the menu and then just scroll down and just find it. It's not that expensive, so a good thing. So these are all the packs. This over here is a thing that I bought. Parachute? Ooh, okay. I got 5 parachutes now, but we don't really need it. But I just found it. Right guys, so we just stand on the circle thing, and if you guys are wondering how do we get glue, so I'll show you guys. So the top right, you have to press West and then press the find me and see glue. So that's how we get it. And then when you're done doing that crest, or you have it already, you just put it on your body like this and launch your boat. And then you can move like this. How cool is that? Look at this. You can move. Ow, I shouldn't have to do that. I just lost one of my glue. Look at this, I can spin around. It's a very cool machine to fly. So if you guys enjoy this video, just let me know. And make sure you guys like and subscribe because this tutorial, is pretty cool. And see you guys later in the next video.